Experimental design. There are certain things an experimenter wants to control before conducting research. These individual differences. These are the differences between individuals. The main characteristics. These are cues that may reveal your aim. Order effects. When you carried out tasks repeatedly, leading to a change in performance. For example, boredom/fatigue effect. This is when a deterioration in performance occurs due to becoming tired or bored. Practice effect. This is when improvement and cost conditions affect the results of the study due to participants becoming familiar with the task or the environment. Counterbalancing attempts to control order effects. For example, repeating measures half do condition A, then condition B, then half do B, then A. Independent measures. This is when one participant does one condition. Participants are split into two conditions. Participants only take part in one condition. IV, age or gender. Strengths. It removes order effects, so condition doesn't impact the other. It decreases demand characteristics as they both are in different conditions, so they can't detect the aim. It's less economical as they only take part in one condition, so therefore they need less resources. More participants are needed, however, as you need two groups for two conditions. Individual differences can impact on the results. These differences between the conditions may have been due to individual differences rather than the IV. This makes the results less valid. Repeated measures. This is when the same participants do all conditions. You repeat the measure to control order effects. It needs to be controlled using counterbalancing or randomization. Fewer participants are needed, so therefore it saves money, it's more economical. There's no individual differences between the conditions. Order effects may lead to practice effect or fatigue effect. Demand characteristics are more likely as they do every condition, so therefore they're more likely to guess the aim. And matched pairs design. This is when different participants are used in each condition of the study, but they're more likely to be matched on important characteristics. Characteristics are chosen around the aim usually. Participants are split into different conditions. Participants take part in one condition, for example, high IQ with high IQ, low IQ with low IQ. Strengths. This means order of effects is unlikely to have an impact. There's no demand characteristics as they're put in two different categories. They're less likely to have an impact on individual differences because they're matched on that. It's time consuming to match people for individual differences and it's expensive. Individual differences can still have an impact between the conditions, as even though you may match someone based on IQ, based on gender, based on race, there's still individual differences between the participants. Here's an exam question for you to have a go at.